SpreadX's financial spread betting iPhone app makes navigating your way through the markets easy. When you first log in, you'll be taken to a list of popular markets. Tap the browse icon to see the full list of products you can trade. There are indices, shares, commodities, currencies, bonds and interest rates, as well as ETFs, ETCs and trackers. Scroll to the product you want and tap it to see the markets you can trade. You can see the markets listed alphabetically. At a glance, you can see whether the market is open or closed for trading, the current buy and sell price of the instrument, and how much the market has moved over this current trading day. Tapping the green arrow button next to the market brings you to the deal ticket. You can watch the price fluctuate in real time and click sell or buy to open a trade. You can also set a stop or limit order if you wish. Tapping the market name takes you to the market details screen, which gives you links to the deal ticket, order ticket, market information, charts, as well as the option to add this market to a watch list. Another way to find a market is to use the search facility by tapping the magnifying glass image on the top right of the screen. Or you can create shortcuts to the markets you're interested in by adding them to a watch list. When looking at a particular market, tap the watch icon and the market will be added to a watch list. The default watch list is called My Portfolio. You can keep all your favourite markets here or create several watch lists for different types of stocks or for FX, commodities, etc. In future, you can jump straight to your watch list by clicking the watch list button on the main menu. We've created a few to get you started. You can see that day's most popular markets as well as the day's top rises and fallers.